sticky right here. And we're gonna make it, paint it, and erupt it. So we have all of the stuff we need in the kit.
That's right, Elon. Kids, this is where you'll want your parents' help. These are the items in the kit for the volcano experiment. You'll get some plaster, eruption powder, volcano mold, and some paint. And now, let's get started on building our volcano. There are a few basic steps to this. Gradually mix in the included plaster with a cup of water. We then put our volcano mold together and then pour in our plaster. We let this sit for a while. Our volcano is now ready for some paint. With that said, kids, take it away.
Okay, so guys, we have to mix 2 eruption powders. Whoa, it looks like sugar, but we can't eat it. My turn? Ooh, it smells good. Whoa, another one of those. I can't even see mine anymore. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get this spoon and scoop some of this powder and carefully, slowly put this into the volcano. Whoa! Slowly. Whoa! Okay, this is when we're gonna erupt the volcano. I'm gonna pour this into the cup. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! 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 Okay, guys, we're gonna use some baking soda and some vinegar. Let's do this. So I got some vinegar, some blue food coloring. The baking soda is already in the volcano. I have blue food coloring because I want my explosion to be blue. It's getting blue. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it with the popsicle stick. Mix, 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 mix. Now I'm gonna pour it in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more. Whoa, it's coming out. It's coming out. Whoa, that was cool. It was cool. Yeah, now it's my turn. But instead, we're gonna use the explosion powder and the baking soda, vinegar, and yellow food coloring, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's put some. Open this and put one drop of yellow food coloring. So open the thing, and now squeeze it and put 1 drop of food coloring. Okay, now just use that popsicle stick to agitate. Agitate, agitate. Okay, now carefully pour it into there. Whoa! Look. Whoa! See that? If you want to try this at home, you don't need a science activity. Okay? You only need a cup, some baking soda, some vinegar, and if you want, you can add some food coloring. If you like our videos,